Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video I'm doing a meal prep, so basically what I'm going to be eating over the next week, and also preparing like fresh fruit and veg so that I can snack on that as well. So if you do want to see my meal prep ideas and what I'm going to be eating, then definitely keep watching the video. If you do like this type of video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So the first thing I'm going to be cooking this week is going to be chicken, veg and either rice or pasta. I'm kind of going to depend on see how I get on and probably do a bit of both maybe. I'm also going to do tuna pasta for my lunch with a bit of sweet corn probably, and basically just prepping my fruit and stuff so that it's in the fridge and it's really easy and quick to grab and snack. For my breakfast then I like to have bran flakes, or I'm going to be having like scrambled eggs. First thing I picked up I want to show you, because this is really essential if you're going to start your food prep, and you definitely know this if you are because it's Tupperware. So these are the ones I picked up today. I got these in Deals or Poundland if you're in the UK, that's what it's called, and these are just the 700ml ones and they're just fresh lock, and I got 2 packs of them. I then picked up these ones as well, these are little microwave containers. I'm probably going to use these for my tuna rather than the chicken, just because I feel like it'll sit in there a little bit better, and this one I probably would prefer to put the chicken in that one because it's going to be a bit bulkier. I also then have these two as well, so these have the 2-part containers, so I'm going to put fruit in there probably on either side. So I have some strawberries, grapes, blueberries and blackberries, so I'm going to probably separate them all into there so they're just easy to grab, and like if I have a yogurt and stuff like that I can just put them in really quickly and they're all washed and everything, so I don't have to worry about that. So these are really handy, and they were from TK Maxx, and I think they were like, I got 3 of them. I already have some carrot sticks in another one because I had a little snack earlier. So I just thought I would show you the Tupperware. They can be quite expensive, so I definitely do recommend going into Poundland or Deals if you do want to get something a little bit cheaper. So the first meal I'm going to be cooking is actually the chicken. So I have this 4-pack breast of chicken, and I'm going to be using one of these. I don't know which one to go with of these yet. You have the Mediterranean chicken or the barbecue chicken. I'm kind of leaning towards the Mediterranean a little bit more. These are the bags that you put your chicken into, and then you just cook it. Put the chicken into the bag and pop it into the oven. I'm going to set the oven there to whatever temperature it tells me to. This is the little bag that it comes with, so I'm just going to open this up and obviously put the chicken in and then pour the seasoning over. Minutes at 170 degrees fan or 190 degrees just a normal oven. So I'm going to pop this in now, and then I'm going to start prepping, the pasta and the veg and stuff to go with it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out the penne pasta, because I want some of this to go with the chicken and I also want some to go with my tuna pasta bake. So how I like to do this is I like to tend to get like the same measurement for each dish, so I'd probably use like a cup or something like that and then just put it into a pot. So just my pasta on there cooking away while my chicken's in the oven, and now I'm going to prepare the vegetables that are going to go with this. So for the chicken I'm going to do a bit of broccoli, probably some green beans. I'm probably going to cook up all the veg just so it's there and there's a lot of it, so I'm not kind of avoiding it if you get me. So I'll do that now. So I have the tuna and sweet corn and mayonnaise mixed in, and the pasta's in the pot there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate that, because that's for 2 with the chicken and this is for 2 with this. So I'm going to separate that in half and mix it in with this now. Stir this in, and then I'm going to separate it into the little Tupperware dishes. Here's my lunch for day number 1 and day number 2, and it's just the chicken, sorry no it's not chicken, it's just the tuna pasta with sweet corn. So that's going to do me probably for about Monday and Tuesday's lunch, and then I will make this again for Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I might have something different just to change it up. Okay, so I just thought I'd run through what I've done as I have obviously finished now. So there is the tuna pasta bake that I showed previously. So this obviously just has your pasta, your mayonnaise, tuna and sweet corn. Then I have another lunch slash dinner alternative. So this has the chicken, the Mediterranean chicken, which was done in the bag. It has some pasta underneath and broccoli and a couple of green beans in there too. This you can add a little bit of sauce as well if you wanted to, like maybe low fat mayonnaise or something like that, if you don't like it too dry. And then the same is here again, so that's going to do. That'll be mine and Michael's dinner tomorrow. Then we have this one here, which is again the same chicken. This time I've just put baby corn, rice and green beans. And with this one I'll probably add a little bit of sauce on this. I'm not sure what sauce as of yet. But then the same with this one, Michael just has broccoli instead of the green beans. And then of course I've prepped all my fruit for the week. Obviously I will have bananas, oranges, there is more fruit and stuff like that, but I just find that they don't really stay as fresh in these little containers. But yeah, that is for half of the week. So I will again do this on Wednesday probably, and it'll last me then till Friday, and then the weekend is kind of just, I know, everyone for themselves kind of thing, you know. So that's it for my meal food prep. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos. But yeah, it was actually kind of exciting to do that for the first time. I think I took absolutely ages in the kitchen. But yeah, I hope you did like the video, and thanks for watching. See you in my next one.